Rising interest rates and capital-intensive companies like Nikola Corp do not make for good bedfellows. Once a spark darling, the clean energy truck maker's market value has plummeted from a high of nearly $29 billion 3 years ago to less than $700 million today. That's as of today, the 19th of April 2023. The collapse in its share price, along with the sharp rise in borrowing costs, has stymied Nikola's ability to raise the cash it needs to fund vehicle development and production. If about 3 weeks ago it turned to investors to show up its strained balance sheet, it needed around $100 million through the sale of 90 million shares for around $1.12. That was a painful dilution for existing shareholders. The situation was urgent and is still urgent as well. Nikola had just $233 million in cash and the cash equivalents as of the end of 2022, down from more than $840 million at the end of 2020. It is not the only EV startup in need of funds. As of March of this year, Rivian Automotive sold $1.5 billion of convertible bonds. In February, with Lucid Group, a Tesla rival in the luxury EV space, raised $1.5 billion from a share sale. EV startups who hope to survive the looming shakeout will follow suit, and we have also seen that of late with Mullen Automotive. They have a need for up to $300 million or thereabout. Okay, for those who can hang on, long-term trends are in their favor. Governments across the world are pushing to reduce carbon dioxide emissions. Goldman Sachs predicts EV sales will hit 73 million units by 2040, up from $22 million as of 2020. EVs are expected to account for 61% of global car sales by then. Shares across the EV industry have sold off sharply, with losses of 70 to 90% over the past 12 months. Having stalled, not all will be able to start up again. So what we are looking at right now in this pre-market session of the 19th of April 2023, Rivian is just for the last couple of minutes just holding on at $0.9408. And on this 1 minute live projections, is it really necessary? Let's look at the daily chart and see a much more stable projection. Okay, so the projections are all bunched up. We have a projection of around $2.74. It doesn't look like something that can be achieved in the next couple of days, to say the least. Maybe in a couple of weeks, maybe that may be possible, but things are not looking so wonderful for now. We have a downward projection of 0.506. This is its lowest downward projection, but the nearest upper projection will be like 1.15, somewhat realistic. This is around the sort of price it was when it raised that $100 million. So for now, things are not looking so wonderful for Nikola. But if you really are keen on investing in this company for the long term, maybe this may be the sort of time you may begin to pick up the shares, and hoping that in the very long term things will look good. But for now, not so wonderful. Okay, see what you make of NKLA stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.